to me.
So you got a kid?
No, well, my ex is might as well be my child. I pay alimony.
Oh, you got caught up, huh? So he got you.
Yeah.
He got you.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, he got you. I don't know whether to be happy or...
I mean, happy because I got out of it.
No, happy for the nigga.
Oh, I'm so glad you could say that on
Shit,
the
he came up on $500,000.
Yeah, I'm happy for the nigga. Yeah.
Why?
Because it's this sometimes for the man to win.
Why?
But you see what I'm saying?
He's fully capable, when he's an adult, older than me, fully capable of working, a licensed professional, but used the system to come up, took advantage of me. You okay with that?
No, just because it's you personally, no. But watch what I'm about to tell you.
Tell me.
Women been doing it to men since the beginning of time.
Doesn't make it right.
Oh, yes, the fucking.
I don't agree with you taking advantage of the system because it's there.
No.
I don't agree with that.
Only because,
we should have did this on the show.
Yeah, only because it's you, I'm concerned. Because we have a relationship now. Or if it was my daughter, I would be concerned. But the fact is, it's a system that's there to be taken advantage of.
So you should, because you can. Is that what you're saying?
I'm at the point in life, however the cards play out for you, and the way you lay your head down on the pillow at night, you got to be happy. If that means he had to do what he had to do to get you, I'm sorry that he did that shit. Listen to me. I'm sorry, darling. I'm sorry that happened to you. But I guarantee as you move forward through life, you'll never make that motherfucker.
Well, I never would. It's the most expensive mistake I made.
That's my point about the same stuff I was saying about life. The same thing.
I looked. It's crazy when y'all started talking. I looked at Rachel. I thought she was still wearing the ring.
Oh my God, no!
Yeah, I'm talking. So what I'm saying is,
I need to be saved now.
Your experiences have taught you who to stay away from and who to. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah, you're right.
That's my point, love.
But that I mean we have to congratulate him.
No. As a G. Salute that nigga. If my son nigga about now, like I said, but it's personal now because we family.
It's personal.
We family now. We family. I feel sorry that happened for you.
Thank you.
You know, but for the system, one for the fucking crew.
There are a lot of people who think like you. There are a lot of people who do.
That nigga, god damn.
Donnie, did you get all of
this? This is a big deal because he's not black too.
He's a white man.
Oh, even better. What? Good for him. Yeah.
All I know from that is that you are like
get that on tape.
Yo.
She talking about domestic violence. She got a white motherfucker crippled to the game and got a fucking million who raised you.
Federal judge.
Oh my God.
Oh man, yo, shout out to TK Kirkland, man. If you guys aren't familiar with TK, man, TK is a comedian. Going to get that thing straight right now. He is a comedian, man. So he jokes, but he's dead serious because here's the thing. This has been happening to men since the beginning of time. Like, you know what I'm saying? Ever since divorce was a freaking thing. Dudes have been getting taken to the cleaners again, man, for forever. So this is absolutely nothing new to the men out there. And no, I'm not saying that it's right. I'm not saying that it's right, you know what I mean? But it's like this. When these type of things happen to men, nobody, and I do mean nobody, bats a freaking eye. Don't nobody say nothing. If anything, they're congratulating the woman. Hey, get your bag, girl. What was it? Tiana Taylor, when she took all of that doggone money from, I don't know if it's Iman or Iman, whatever his doggone name is. When she got all that money back in the divorce, when she got the house, the cars, the Rolls Royces, the Bentleys, all of those things, nobody said anything except for, hey, she deserves it. All right, she deserves every single last nickel, dime, and penny, every car, alimony, child support. Give her everything. And so again, what I say is when this happens to a guy, nobody says anything. They don't bat an eye. When this thing happened between, not Elon Musk, but Jeff Bezos, his wife took a couple of I'm talking about billions of dollars. Nobody said anything. Nobody batted a mother-loving eye. But the moment them doggone when that thing flip flop and it switch, oh man, the government is the worst thing in the world. And a guy that's an able body human, listen, you can go out there, you can make your doggone own, but no. See, the issue is y'all have been blurring lines for so freaking long. And the moment that y'all don't benefit from them doggone, and I'm only speaking to the women that is all for, equal, equal all the rest of these things. I'm not gonna get into it, but yeah, everybody that think that men and women are the same and they deserve the same type of treatment, this applies to you. Those are the exact type of people that I am speaking and I'm talking to. All right, the people that believe that men and women are the same. There you go, right there. This is it right here. Ask Britney Spears. It's like that, man. You got a lot of guys out there that you think, oh, they all this, that, and the third, and this is a black woman that married a white man. This is a black woman that thought that the grass was greener on the other side, married a white man, and from what everybody else been saying, this mofo took her to the cleaners. I'm talking about, yeah, let me get all that. $500,000. At least $500K. Let me get that up at you. And I seen somewhere where it was saying like $10,000, and on top of that, $10,000 a month, allegedly. So I'm curious. All those women out there that was saying like, black men are this, black men are that. Here you go, right here. A young lady that said, listen, I didn't date a brother. I got with a Caucasian, a white man, and he still did this to me. Listen, I'm not bashing any race. I'm asking questions to get a better understanding of what the hell is going on. They said that the grass is greener on the other side, so what happened? I thought, all white guys were good. You know what I mean? I don't know too many brothers. I don't know too many brothers out there taking $500,000 from sisters. You know what I'm saying? After the divorce, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? If things don't work out, listen, I'm just gonna get it out the mud. You going back to whatever you got going on. I'm gonna go on back to whatever I got going on. It's already bad enough that that we done got engaged, got married, and put all the stuff out here in the public. And yeah, man, but I don't know too many brothers out here doing that. But TK is just basically saying what I've been saying. In life, things like this happen. When it happens to men, nobody gives a damn. All right? But when it happens to women, all hell about to doggone break loose. And I don't really think, I wish it would have been a little bit longer, but I don't really think that she's really rocking with what he's saying, even though I think that he broke it down and explained it perfectly. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, I'm saluting that brother because this doesn't happen often. It really don't. When the woman is the breadwinner, the woman make more money or whatever and stuff like this. Like, wait, what? I gotta pay what? I gotta pay what? What you mean? Yeah. And also Israel Adesanya. I'm pretty sure, and don't quote me on this, but I believe Israel Adesanya was dealing with a young lady. I think it was just his girlfriend or something. I don't know if they were married or what. But she allegedly tried to get Israel Adesanya out of some money, but just to find out that all Israel's money was pretty much being handled and controlled by his mom. I don't own a mother-loving thing. All my money is sent directly to this beautiful woman right here. And I'm not mad at that at all, allegedly. Yeah, if that's how you choose to move, you can trust, or you have somebody that you can trust that you can just get, hey, listen, it's so many people out here, especially when you start to climb your way to the top, that they trying to get in where they fit in. And so, anyway, I don't know if it was a $500,000 thing or $1 million thing, where allegedly his girlfriend had to end up paying him, a UFC fighter, making decent bread, you know what I mean, through UFC fighting, his sponsorships. He's also doing like YouTube, so I guess you can call him a content creator as what, getting money everywhere. But none of that stuff is going. Listen. I technically own everything, but I don't control a mother loving thing. You look at me, goose egg, cuz. Let me get that money. But y'all, let me know. What do you guys think down in the comments? Do y'all think that stuff like this is right? Do y'all believe that women should have to pay if they are the breadwinner and they decide to leave a guy? Before you answer that question, all right, especially, you know, those people out there that think that men and women are the same, I want to ask you this. If the shoe were on the other foot, do you think that it's right for the man? All right? Do you believe that it's okay or it's right for a man to have to pay if he breaks up? He's the breadwinner, he makes all the money or whatever. I want y'all to answer both of those things. Don't just try to skip out and just look at this thing from one side. I want you to view both sides and answer that thing. It's a two-part question. Answer both of them. Let me know down in the comments, all right? Let go.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.